Alright then, do this some more. Couple things. People might notice I wear hats a lot. So I love hats. I got lots of hats. And here at the Hackelman residence, there's lots of hats for me to borrow as I'm over here doing these things. And they also might notice that I'd like to do Jack Johnson because his music's very easy to play for the most part, and he's awesome. So this is more Jack Johnson. Can't you see that it's just rain? There ain't no need to go outside. But baby, you hardly even notice when I try to show you the song is meant to keep you from doing just what you're supposed to. Wake it up too early, maybe we could sleep in, or make it banana pancakes, pretend like it's the weekend now. We can pretend it all the time. Can't you see that it's just raining? There ain't no need to go outside. Well, just maybe like a ukulele, mama made a baby. I really don't mind the practice, cause you're my little lady. Lady love to lay, cause I love to lay here lazy. We could close the curtains, pretend like there's no world outside. We could pretend it all the time. Can't you see that it's just raining? There ain't no need to go outside. The telephone's singing, ringing, it's too early, don't pick it up. We don't need to, we got everything we need right here, and everything we need is enough. It's so easy when the whole world fits inside of your arms. Do we really need to pay attention to the alarm? Wake up slow. Wake up slow. Baby, I hardly even notice when I try to show you the song is meant to keep you from doing just what you're supposed to. Wake it up too early, or maybe we could sleep in, or make the banana pancakes, pretend like it's the weekend now. We can pretend it all the time. Can't you see that it's just raining? There ain't no need to go outside. Ain't no need, ain't no need. Rain all day and now I really, really don't mind. Can't you see, can't you see? We got to wake up slow.